Today we will do salmon in whipping cream and garlic. Fillets of salmon were two. Everyone is 125 grams every fillet. So today we have 500 grams of fillet. The fillet on the package is better than in real life, and we have frozen fillet, but we unfrozen it, but the fresh fillet is better because it's fresh.
Yeah.
Now we need to salt it and to pepper it. Now pepper. And on the other side, salt, and pepper it.
And lemon juice.
And lemon juice.
Salt.
More salt. And the lemon juice. Now the salmon fillet needs to marinate. And now we need to cut first the onion, shallot, on small squares. And shallot. Everything on a plate.
And garlic.
Garlic. To better do the garlic, you need first to squeeze it all and then to cut it very fast, like this. Alright. And the last one. Not cut it. Very fast. And cut it. And the garlic needs to be very small. Very small. Squares. Very small squares. The garlic is going to be ready now.
Yeah.
It's a mountain of garlic. Mountain of garlic. Okay, now we need to pick up all and go to cook. Now we need to cook them. The olive oil. Our salmon. Olive oil, we need to cook fast the salmon from two sides. It cooks 3 minutes. The salmon is ready, but only 3 salmons, not 4. The last one is not ready. The minute and it's ready. Okay, the salmon is ready, but now first the butter. And to fry now onion and garlic. Now onion then garlic, all time we need to this thing to do this thing, and now we need to get the white wine. We need to don't have alcohol. Okay.
3 minutes.
Now we don't have alcohol in our onion and garlic. Now we need to put the whiting cream. We have 30% fat, but if you have more fat or not very fat, you need to see for sauce to how you want.
Salt.
Now salt, pepper, and thyme
Thyme.
or thyme. Now we need to have some water, but if you don't have so fat or more fat, you need to see you need water or you don't need, or you need more water. Now we need spinach baby leaves. A mountain of them, really mountain. 100 grams of spinach. Now we cut 6 slices of lemon, and now we need to put them in this holes.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And now
Thymian.
we don't need. No.
It's okay.
Yeah. The salmon. Salmon is beautiful sauce with beautiful lemons. And the Parmigiano. 50 grams. Okay, the salmon is ready. No, the salmon is not very bad. It's more beautiful than it was.
Yeah.
Now the sauce.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, let's taste the salmon with the sauce. Mmm. It's very tasty. It's very, very tasty.